Alright guys, this is a slow short review. I thought I would review this. It's an apple pie limited edition Kit Kat. Look at that, guys. So it says crisp whippers and apple pie flavored white cream, naturally artificial flavored. So I don't know if it has any chocolate. Might not. So Kit Kat without chocolate. Interesting. Let's open it up, guys. Wow, smells like apples. All right, this is what it looks like. Close up. Back. Let's tear off one of these. Try it out. It really smells like apple. It really does. Not plain. Crispy. It's very crispy. Of course, right? Wow. It's really good. I don't really taste a lot of chocolate. It's like, I think there's like apple flavor in here. And it's like a white cream on the side. Pretty good. Try one more of these. Do my final rating. I love the flavor. It's different than chocolate. And it's not white chocolate. I don't really like white chocolate. More of like a creamer flavor. It's like a white cream flavoring. Wow, guys, that apple pie Kit Kat is really good. There's good apple flavor in there. The outside's like a white cream. It tastes really good. I really like it a lot, actually. It's nice to have a different flavor than Kit Kat. Now, they had a mint Kit Kat. That was pretty good, too. But this one is just different. It's apple. It's like, I don't know. It's not like your traditional... Because you've seen mint chocolate before, right? I'm sure you have it. I'm sure they have mint chocolate bars. I think they do. But you hardly ever see apple pie Kit Kats or apple pie, whatever, candy bar. And I really like it. I like it. It's really different. I really like it. I would get this again. So I like this. I'm going to give it 4.5 out of 5. It's pretty good. I would definitely get this again. It's really good. It's really tasty. Like I said, you can find this at Walmart. I found it in the front of like the check stand. Not where all the candy is, but like right in the front of the check stand. That's where I found it. And usually if there's a new candy bar, they're going to have it right in front of the check stands. In case you're curious. So give it a try. If you tried this before, let me know what you think. I really love it. All right, thanks for watching. This is a quick little review for you. Just little review for you guys. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.